Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Rakuten Advertising Reporting, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, visit the Rakuten Advertising website. Locate the sign up button on the homepage. Click on the sign up button to initiate the registration process. Fill in your basic information, including your name and email address. Create a strong password and confirm it in the provided field. Check your email for a verification link from Rakuten Advertising. Open the email and click on the verification link to activate your account. Once your account is activated, log in using your email and password. Navigate to the dashboard after logging in. Look for the Subscriptions tab in the menu. Click on the Subscriptions tab to explore available options. Select the type of reporting you are interested in subscribing to. Review the details and benefits of the chosen reporting option. Fill in any additional information required during the subscription process. Once complete, confirm your subscription details. Review and accept any terms and conditions presented. Submit your subscription request for processing. Wait for a confirmation email regarding your subscription status. Once confirmed, access your reporting dashboard for insights. Familiarize yourself with the reporting features available. Explore the analytics to track your performance effectively. You are now ready to utilize Rakuten Advertising Reporting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.